Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable automatic updates in Windows 10. Okay, so in order to do that, you have to go to this Windows 10 start screen, and in this in the search box you have to type services. Okay, and then just click on services. As you can see, we have this services window, and you have to find Windows updates. Okay, so in order to find that, we have to scroll down. Let me check it. Windows updates. Okay. Okay. Here we have. Okay. As you can see that Windows updates. So you need to double click on this, and you can see this, the new window, and you have to select the disabled. Okay. Just select the disabled, and then as you can see the service status is running. You have to stop the service, as you can see. Okay, and then click on apply, and then okay. As simple as that. So how we can check that that Windows automatic updates is turned off? So in order to check that, again we need to go to the start screen and then click on settings, and then click on update and security, and we just need to click on this check for updates. Okay, as you can see there were some problems installing updates, but we will try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information. So guys, in this way you can easily disable automatic updates in Windows 10. So hope this tutorial helps, and I would catch you in my other tutorials. Thanks for watching.